full auto time, baby. Oh, that is hot.
That thing is so amazing.
I love skin on it.
Call me Bass Pro Master.
Forms out on these streets.
I just realized we were at the Mazda dealership and I was talking shit to the Mazda salesman about Mazda cars.
Oh, got the cold water going down my backside. So we're supposed to be going that way? Oh my god.
Alright, so Daria says vlog the family reunion. So I have half a sandwich in my mouth. I'm pretty friggin' drunk because of her.
Hey,
With the friggin' That's an awesome costume.
Help me! Help me! They're taking me! He's taking me! Help me!
The horror! Good time here at the campground. Ice cream. Jello shot treats. Yep. Well, we just dropped our friends off. They were here for a few days. Definitely had a lot of fun. Shout out Lindsay and Jamie. You guys are great. And I'm obviously back on the way down the river.
Like, share, subscribe, y'all.
Subscribe. Say SK Lifestyle.
SK Lifestyle.
Yeah! Hey, how's everybody doing out there? SK Lifestyle here, of course. And I'm out here braving the weather in New England to bring you another video on the Nissan Pathfinder. Yeah, baby, SK Lifestyle. What am I doing with a sword? I have no idea. I just picked it up because I felt like it. Anyway, quick recap. So there is a giveaway going on my channel. That's right, we're here, baby. Going down. I'm starving too. Yeah, I'm gonna do it to you. Look at that. All right, here's the final day. This is what we've all been waiting for, or at least what I've been waiting for. Up a little muscle here, you know?
Well, I'm sorry, Sean.
What's up, guys? This is probably going to be the last day I take the jet ski out in the water. It's like 78 degrees here in Connecticut, so you know it's kind of like that fall time. Quick touch of summer again before it just gets frosty. Ripping it up. Alright, so hopefully you guys have enjoyed this ski season with me. SK Lifestyle, I'm so thankful for everything in my life, all the people in my life and so forth. And just sticking by the motto, Carpe Diem. Be thankful, strive to be happy. SK Lifestyle.